Stay active and have fun at liHotel Sports Facilities at liHotel. We understand the importance of staying active and having fun while on vacation. That's why we offer a range of sports facilities to cater to all your fitness needs. Whether you're a bowling enthusiast or an avid hiker, we have the perfect options for you. Our state-of-the-art bowling alley is the ideal place to gather with friends or family for a fun-filled evening. With well-maintained lanes and top-notch equipment, you can enjoy a friendly game of bowling and showcase your skills. Our friendly staff is always on hand to assist you and ensure a memorable experience. For those who prefer the great outdoors, liHotel is surrounded by picturesque hiking trails. Lace up your hiking boots and immerse yourself in the stunning natural beauty of Taipei. From gentle strolls to challenging treks, there's a trail for every level of hiker. Explore lush forests, breathtaking viewpoints, and discover hidden gems along the way. At liHotel, we believe that staying active should be an integral part of your vacation. With our fantastic bowling alley and access to scenic hiking trails, you can enjoy a well-rounded and unforgettable stay in Taipei.Convenience at its finest. Enjoy a hassle-free stay at liHotel when it comes to convenience. liHotel in Taipei, Taiwan has got you covered. From the moment you step foot into the hotel, you'll experience a seamless stay with a range of convenient facilities at your disposal. Stay connected with complimentary Wi-Fi in all rooms and public areas, ensuring you can easily catch up on work or stay in touch with loved ones. The hotel also offers express check-in/checkout services, allowing you to save valuable time and start your Taipei adventure right away. No need to worry about your luggage either, as liHotel provides luggage storage facilities. Whether you're arriving early or departing late, you can explore the city without the burden of carrying your bags. And with daily housekeeping services, you can relax and unwind in a clean and comfortable environment throughout your stay. At liHotel, convenience is not just a buzzword, it's a promise. Book your stay today and experience a hassle-free stay in the heart of Taipei. Convenient and hassle-free transport facilities at liHotel. At liHotel, we understand the importance of convenient and hassle-free transportation options for our guests. That's why we provide a range of transport facilities to ensure that your stay with us is as seamless as possible.